Hello everyone, this is my overcurrent 3-phase relay made with stm32 microcontroller. It's a completely configurable general purpose 3-phase overcurrent relay or electronic overload. Here's the 3 current transformers used for measuring the AC current. This is the display board. The below is the microcontroller and analog front end board, and of course the power supply board. This is my design. The left part is the power supply, which is a AC to DC buck converter. The buck converter is fed directly from the AC and converted to 12 volts over there. This is a small board here to convert the 12 volts down, to step it down to 5 volts in order to operate the microcontroller and the display. This is a microcontroller. It's a stm32 F0 microcontroller, Cortex M0. This is the spy flash used for saving the settings. This is the connector for current transformers, 3-phase, 3 transformers. This is the analog front end. This is the display and relay board. This button is used for setting. For example, if you want to change the CT ratio, here it's now 200, which means the CT ratio is 200 to 5. Or if a 200 amps flows through this, it will be converted to 5 amps in order to be able to read it. You can change this factor here or leave it. This is overcurrent limit. I set it to 180. You can of course adjust it to whatever you want. This is the correction factor. If you got a reading error due to the different CT ratio or due to measurement error in the microcontroller, you can adjust it by this factor. This is the tripping time. Let's set it to 10 seconds. If we press this menu again, we will exit the setting mode. You can read fixed phase current like this. It's fixed to phase A current. Pressed again, B current or C phase current. Or you can made it convert automatically to ABC currents. Scroll through the currents. You will fix to AB current. We obtain the current from making one turn to this AC transformer. We got about 5 amps. About 4.8 amps. We'll read 190 amperes. If the overcurrent or current pickup lasted more than 10 seconds, it will trip the device you want to protect it, like a generator or circuit breaker or motor or anything. Let's make an overcurrent for longer than 10 seconds. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Tripped. This is a normally open relay, which means it will close if an overcurrent occurred in a time longer than the time set in the relay. Thank you for watching.